Who says you can't have fun with Halloween decorations? And who says they can't be pink? Look at these adorable pink skeletons. The brand offered to send me these, and I was really excited. They all have really stunning green eyes. Looks spooky green eyes with the pink. I think it goes well. So this is the way they come packaged. So just so you know, when you're going to put them away, they are going to be able to be condensed down quite well. So you don't have to worry about them taking up a ton of space when you're packaging them up for the end of the year. It's a set of 6. That's what I got. I got the set of 6 in pink. So these are really fun. I'm going to show you here how we're going to decorate with them at the end here. But first, I want to kind of show you all the features. So the head spins all the way around. Even the little jaw is articulated here. The jaw moves. Again, you can hang them. They each come with a string in the head. But you can also sit them and kind of like use their limbs to put them places. They've got these really long legs. So you could sit them on things. You could have them hanging from things. You know, their wrists are articulated. Their ankles are. But yeah, they are really cute. And for size comparison, so they're good sized. So yeah. But yeah, I really like these. They're so fun. And you can just have a bunch of them sitting around. They'd be great for decorating for a party. Have them sitting different places, like around like different party stations, like food stations and stuff, and just mingled in with other decorations. Or like I'll show you, we're going to put these out, some of these outside. So, all right, I'm going to show you that. All right, so if you were thinking about getting these and you weren't sure, you know, like what they look like, you try to get an idea of size and, you know, if they were going to be what you're looking for, I hope that this little review helped.